Hi, I'm Rodney Yee. Let's learn the proper setup for a supported final relaxation pose. Here's a blanket as a pillow. It's the highest plateau. On a bolster, the medium plateau. You'll need a strap and some sandbags. As you sit in staff pose, aligning yourself with the bolster. Place your strap around your legs, at the middle of your thighs. Make the strap taut with the legs parallel. Push the legs into the strap strongly, so the strap keeps the legs contained. With the sandbags, you have two options. Equally distributing the sand, place the sandbag on your upper thighs. If you have two, you can make a V shape out of the sandbags so that you really have extra weight on each thigh, but even again, and right along the line of the groin. As you lie back, lengthen the waist. Place the blanket underneath just the back of your skull so that the neck breathes freely. Begin to let go of the legs. Give yourself a hug with your arms. Rocking from side to side, spread the shoulder blades away from the spine to maximize the breath in the back of the rib cage. Thumbs at armpit chest. Lengthen the front of the chest from the grounding of the legs. Release your arms on the ground. First, feel the weight of the sandbags, pressing your legs more completely into the ground. Give in to that weight. Feel how your chest is open from the plateau of the bolster and your head is slightly gazing down towards your heart. To come out of the pose, no need to touch the sandbags. Bend the legs. Exhale, roll over to your right side. Bend the knees towards your chest. Undo the loop of the strap around your legs. Utilize your arms to roll up to sitting. Sit well. This weight on your legs will help you ground and also deeply relax. This bolster under the chest and heart brings a free breath. The head slightly higher than the chest creates a quietness, a turning inwards. The strap around the legs, a containment in which to feel the care and the nurturing of this setup. Thank you.